Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of portable blenders, exploring the top contenders for your on-the-go blending needs. From compact designs to powerful performance, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful content. Let's blend our way to convenience together. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, your ultimate companion for shakes and smoothies on the go. Crafted with convenience in mind, this blender comes equipped with a 14 ounces BPA-free travel cup and lid, making it perfect for your busy lifestyle. Its durable stainless steel blades ensure powerful blending performance every time, effortlessly turning your ingredients into delicious concoctions. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or traveling, this blender is compact and lightweight, fitting seamlessly into your daily routine. Plus, its vibrant coral color adds a touch of style to your kitchen. Say goodbye to clunky blenders and hello to the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, the perfect blend of power and portability. Number 2. iCusina Blenders, your ultimate kitchen companion for whipping up delicious shakes and smoothies effortlessly. With a robust 500W motor, these blenders power through even the toughest ingredients to create silky smooth beverages every time. The set includes two 28 ounces portable cups with lids, perfect for on-the-go convenience. Whether you're blending up a nutritious breakfast smoothie or a refreshing post-workout shake, this personal blender delivers consistent results. Cleaning up is a breeze with its easy-to-clean design, saving you precious time in the kitchen. Plus, its versatility extends beyond beverages. Use it for making juices, purees, or even baby food. Elevate your culinary experience with the iCusina blender and enjoy delicious homemade creations with ease. Number 3. Mama Cooker Electric Garlic Chopper, your ultimate kitchen companion. This mini powerhouse packs a punch with its 250 milliliters capacity, perfect for grinding garlic, onions, ginger, chili, fruits, and even meats. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to effortless meal prep. Its portable design and wireless functionality make it a breeze to use anywhere, whether you're in the kitchen or on the go. The stainless steel blades ensure quick and efficient chopping, while the easy-to-clean design saves you time and hassle. From stir-fries to sauces, this versatile gadget handles it all with ease. Elevate your cooking game and streamline your kitchen tasks with the Mama Cooker Electric Garlic Chopper. Number 4. Ninja BC51NV Blast Portable Blender, a game-changer in the world of on-the-go nutrition. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this cordless blender is a must-have for health enthusiasts and busy individuals alike. Sporting an 18 ounces vessel, it's perfect for whipping up your favorite shakes and smoothies anytime, anywhere. The BPA-free construction ensures your drinks are safe and healthy, while the leak-proof lid and sip spout makes sipping on the fly a breeze. Plus, with USB-C rechargeability and dishwasher-safe parts, convenience is key. Whether you're at the gym, office, or on a weekend getaway, the Ninja BC51NV Blast Portable Blender in denim blue ensures you can blend your way to wellness with style and ease. Number 5. Magic Bullet Portable Blender in sleek silver, your ultimate on-the-go blending companion. With its compact design and powerful performance, this 16-ounce blender is a game-changer for busy lifestyles. Whether you're whipping up morning smoothies, protein shakes at the gym, or even mixing cocktails at a picnic, this blender delivers convenience without compromising on quality. Its robust stainless steel blades effortlessly blend fruits, vegetables, and ice to perfection, giving you smooth and consistent results every time. Plus, its easy-to-use one-touch operation and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to bulky blenders and hello to the Magic Bullet Portable Blender, your ticket to delicious, nutritious blends wherever life takes you. In conclusion, portable blenders offer convenience without sacrificing performance. Whether you're on the go or at home, these compact gadgets ensure you can enjoy nutritious smoothies anytime, anywhere. Remember to choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share.